Greetings to all. As we know that ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. The gases which obey PV is equal to nRT is known as ideal gas. But no gas is an ideal gas or perfect gas. Therefore, they deviate from the ideal gas behavior, that is PV is equal to nRT. So, the gases which don't obey general gas equation and other gas laws at all temperature and pressure is known as non-ideal gas or real gas. There are basically two reasons for deviation of the gases from ideal gas equation. As we know that for ideal gases, PV is constant at any pressure. So we obtained a straight line graph that is parallel to the pressure axis. But for hydrogen and helium gases, PV increases with increase of pressure. In the similar way, for carbon monoxide and methane, the value of PV first decreases, then reaches to the minimum value, and then suddenly there is increase in PV. So they don't behave like the ideal gases. They are known as the real gases. The reason for this deviation from ideal gas behavior is the actual volume of the molecule is negligible as compared to the total volume of the gas. And next one is there is no interaction between the gaseous particle. That is, there is no force of attraction or repulsion between two molecules of the gases. These two assumptions become wrong at high pressure and low temperature. Therefore, all gases, they don't behave like the ideal gas equation under all temperature and all pressure. Hence, the real gases obey ideal gas equation at low pressure and high temperature, or the real gases deviate from the ideal behavior at high pressure and low temperature. For real gases, van der Waals proposed an equation which is known as the real gas equation, that is P plus n square A by V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT, where P is the pressure of the gas, V is the volume, R is a gas constant, T is absolute temperature, N is the number of moles of the gases, where A and B are the constants which are known as the van der Waals constants. The term n square A by V square is related to pressure and NB is effective volume of the gas. The significance of the van der Waals constant A is it measures the magnitude of the intermolecular attractive forces within the gaseous particles, and its unit is liter square atmosphere per mole square, where the constant B is related to the effective volume of the particle and its unit is liter per mole. These two are the correction in the ideal gas behavior. The next term is compressibility factor, which is denoted by the letter capital Z, and it is defined as the deviation from the ideal gas behavior, and its value is the ratio of PV upon nRT. The value of compressibility factor is equal to 1 for all ideal gases, as for ideal gases PV is equal to nRT. So its ratio is equal to 1. But as all gases, they don't obey ideal gas, so its ratio is not equal to 1. So for real gases, the value of Z is not equal to 1. It deviates from unity.